Welcome to our newest YouTube video. Today we're going to be talking about a great incentive offered by Micro Center for anyone looking to purchase an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series graphics card. If you're in the market for one of these powerful graphics cards, you'll be interested to learn that Micro Center is now offering a free $100 Steam gift card with each purchase. That means you can get a great discount on the purchase of your graphics card and also get the funds to purchase the games of your choice on Steam. This promotion applies to the GeForce RTX 4090, RTX 4080, RTX 4070 and RTX 4070 models. Whichever model you choose, a $100 Steam gift card is included. And if you have a nearby Micro Center, you can get an additional discount of up to $85. That's quite an incentive for anyone looking to upgrade their gaming experience with one of these graphics cards. NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 40 series products are some of the best graphics cards available today. But not everyone has been quick to jump on board, which is why Micro Center included this extra offer. In addition to the free Steam gift card, NVIDIA is currently offering an Overwatch 2 Ultimate Battle Pass bundle for GeForce RTX 40 series purchases. This promotion runs until May 8th, and it has a value of $29.99. So if you're an Overwatch 2 player, this is an impressive bonus. NVIDIA may not be in a particular rush to ramp up production of the GeForce RTX 40 series graphics cards, according to a report from DigiTimes. That's because the premium price tags of these Ada Lovelace cards may be putting some people off. Also, some of NVIDIA's partners still have a surplus of GeForce RTX 30 series supplies to move. So, all in all, if you're looking for the best graphics card available and you want to save some money too, then stop by a Micro Center and take advantage of this free Steam gift card offer. You have until the 8th of May to get those cards and the Ultimate Battle Pass bundle. Thanks for watching our video and we hope it was helpful. We'll be back soon with more great news from the world of technology. Until then, happy gaming.